Most people believe that hair quality is mostly about genetics. If your hair is thin, dry, or falling out, they think there's nothing you can really do about it. But in reality, a lot of hair problems come from daily habits that slowly damage your hair without you even noticing. Small things you do every day can either protect your hair or slowly weaken it. So if you want healthier and better-looking hair, fixing a few simple habits can make a huge difference over time. The first habit is how often you wash your hair. Many people think washing their hair every single day keeps it healthy, but doing that actually removes the natural oils your scalp produces. Those oils protect and moisturize your hair. When they are constantly washed away, your hair becomes dry, weaker, and easier to break. Washing your hair 2 or 3 times a week is usually enough for most people because it keeps your scalp clean without stripping away the oils your hair needs. Another important habit is how you treat your hair when it is wet. Wet hair is much weaker than dry hair. When people step out of the shower, they often rub their hair aggressively with a towel. That friction can damage the hair strands and cause unnecessary breakage. A better habit is gently patting your hair dry with a soft towel instead of rubbing it harshly. Scalp care is also something many people ignore. Your scalp is where your hair grows from, so keeping it healthy matters. A simple scalp massage for 2 or 3 minutes can help increase blood circulation around the hair follicles. Over time, this can support healthier hair growth and improve the overall condition of your hair. Your diet also plays a role in how your hair looks and feels. Hair needs nutrients like protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. If your diet is mostly junk food or lacks proper nutrients, your hair can become weak and dull. Foods like eggs, nuts, fruits, vegetables, and other protein-rich foods help support stronger and healthier hair. Heat styling is another habit that can slowly damage hair. Using hair dryers or styling tools frequently exposes your hair to high temperatures, which can weaken the hair structure over time. If you use heat styling, try to limit how often you do it and let your hair air dry whenever possible. Choosing the right products also matters. Some shampoos contain strong chemicals that can dry out your scalp and hair. Using a mild shampoo and occasionally applying conditioner can help maintain moisture and keep your hair smoother and healthier. Finally, consistency is the most important habit of all. Hair improvement doesn't happen instantly. It takes time for healthy habits to show results. But when you consistently take care of your hair, avoid damaging habits, and maintain a healthy routine, your hair can gradually become stronger, healthier, and easier to manage. Good hair isn't just about luck or genetics. It's mostly about the habits you follow every day. When you start making small improvements in your routine, those small changes can slowly transform the health and appearance of your hair over time.